Hello, my lovely third graders. Welcome back to the art room. Oh my goodness. Feels like it's been a long time since we've been here. I know you're sitting at your seats, and I'm so glad that your hands are in our laps, keeping our hands away. I know that in the cups there are pencils with the point down, and there's glue sticks, and there's things to have our crayons in. And it's fun to look at and touch all of these things, but we're going to listen for just a few minutes. Let's take a look around the art room. I see some things that have stayed the same and some things that have changed. You're right. Our curtains are back up, and they're red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, or purple. That's our color wheel. They're in the order of the color wheel. Did you see over there by the door? I have triangles that are in the color wheel order as well. What about right there? Did you notice that we changed our color board? Our colors are in portrait families this year. That's right. We know our primary and our secondary, our warm and our cool. But this year we're going to get deeper into colors, and we're going to learn a lot about color families and portraits. What about under me? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of portraits there too, isn't there? Well, guess what? Today we're going to make a portrait of you. We're going to do lots of self-portraits and portraits this year. But this time we're going to start. Our portrait won't have a face. It's a portrait about you in 3D. Let's take a look. Look at those. I know normally we'd call those structures, wouldn't we? Yeah. But today we're calling them portraits because they are going to be a portrait of you. Each piece of paper will represent something about you. Maybe it's that you like the beach and go swimming. Could be that you can wink. Might be you have a brother or sister, or more than one brother or sister, or your pets. Let's take a look at some of the different ideas that we can have. Food and colors, ice cream and instruments, loving to read and loving art, and vegetables, or wearing shorts today. You can come up with lots and lots of different ideas about what makes you you. And we're going to look at a piece of paper that you have that looks just like this. Oh my goodness, I put in, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 facts about each of us. The first one I did for me is I like to scuba dive. I chose the color blue for that. We're going to use red, orange, yellow, green, blue, or purple. Now there's 8 facts, but there's only 6 colors. That means some of your facts will have the same color. Let's see. I think I'm going to put down that I have 2 brothers, and I'm going to make that green, just like the fact that I love vegetables, and they're green too. So we're going to put down facts about us, and we're going to put down colors that match, and then we're going to make a structure that represents those facts. Do you see my blue squirrely for the water, and I have a big green for my brothers, and I'm going to have to add to this a green for vegetables. Here's those ideas again. Wow, there's lots of ideas on there and lots of things, but let's talk about how to use the paper. All right, hold on. If I have my paper and I want to make an arch, it's not going to stick like this. I have to make a foot. Whoop, I'm going to bend it and then go all the way down to the other end and make a foot. It has two little bends on it. Those little bends are a place I can put my glue and have my arch stand up. I might want to make my arch a zigzag so I can fold it back and forth like an accordion. And it's a boingy. Boing, 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 boing. Look at that. Maybe I want to roll it. Maybe I want to roll it just like that so that when, whoops, when I open it, it's another type of boingy. You can create your 3D about you in lots of different ways. You can stack them. You can have them next to each other. You can do all sorts of things. I'm going to leave this up so that you can look for ideas and you can see one that's somewhat made. But you make yours the own way, your own way, just like you. I think we might have some pictures taken of how you're doing, and then I can see them. Love you. Don't forget to put your name on it. You can put it right above 3D. I can't wait to see you. Welcome back to the art room, my lovelies.